As manufacturing confronts the perennial challenges of meeting increased demand and costs, more than ever, labor challenges threaten industry's ability to digitize, then meet growth objectives. Matics' digitized operational excellence solutions enable sustainable change by connecting machines, systems, processes, and people to build your operational excellence culture. Matics' end-to-end approach combines industry expertise, a digital platform, and the way of doing it. The intuitive and powerful cockpit equips frontline workers with actionable insights on what tasks need to be completed, when they should be done, and how to execute them. Matics provides real-time data on machine and line status, job performance, and shift progress, along with actionable steps to enhance availability, performance, and quality throughout the shift. You can also expand the Know area and get more insights about your shift and line performance. The shift timeline is constantly being updated by actionable planned and unplanned events. You can easily navigate between machines and lines that are assigned to you as part of your shift responsibility. Throughout your shift, you'll receive notifications not only about issues related to your assigned machines, but also about events that could impact your overall manufacturing performance. Throughout the shift, organic notifications, tasks, and remedies are presented to frontline workers with impactful data to influence performance. To encourage a smooth shift handover, use the Start Shift Report, a summary report that can give you an overview of all important events and insights coming from the previous shift that can affect your upcoming shift. The report includes key insights such as recent jobs, last shift performance, major stop reasons, quality issues, safety events, as well as open service calls. To ensure that the line manager went through those critical milestones, we implemented a digital signature to all forms to help validate that the knowledge has been completely transferred. During the shift, the frontline worker faces planned and unplanned events. To help build a continuous improvement culture in your organization, Matics created a process management tool that enables the digitization of any procedure into a measurable and validated form. The robust rule-based engine allows you to automate standard procedures, replacing pen and paper with a digital form, event-triggered rules such as maintenance tasks, and time-based rules and routines such as quality tests. In this example, we see an operational excellence 5S routine transformed into an automated task received at the beginning of the shift. Matics Cfw solution automates processes, makes organizational knowledge more accessible, and creates standards to cultivate an operational excellence culture, meaning new or inexperienced operators can maintain high performance with ease. The user is given the option to view an image or a video of what is expected of him at any step. If a user is unable to complete a task according to the expected requirements, they are required to provide a reason, which can later be reviewed by managers. Today's workers seek more than just a job. To build a truly connected workforce solution, we integrated a rewards and gamification system. The system is designed to boost employee engagement and motivate them. The OEE score is determined by evaluating the availability, performance, and quality of the production line. Frontline workers gain visibility into critical information needed to enhance the line's performance. Events like machine downtime can be analyzed in real time, helping to quickly address and close performance gaps. The system captures legacy data to learn, then suggests remedies to stop reasons. Users can add downtime reasons to complement the knowledge base, then are rewarded for completing the missing information. Once reported, the frontline worker is encouraged to investigate more deeply. Several relevant root cause options related to the reported downtime are suggested by the system. Those are visually presented to ensure accuracy in the reporting process. Completing the process helps the maintenance team prioritize their work plan and increasing the time between failures. When an issue is reported, the right worker with relevant skills can automatically receive a Tier 1 fixed task, allowing them to close the gap in real time based on their experience. Each task consists with the relevant know-how and validation that all steps were taken according to the designed protocol. When the shift is over, the handover process is supported by an end-of-shift report to reduce ramp-up time, which can significantly affect performance and quality. The end shift report consists of the workers' personal performance and team achievements, as well as the line status, allowing them to complete the missing information, report, and add notes for the upcoming shift owners. Grow with us toward becoming your factory operational excellence culture builder.